Hey everyone, I'm Leo from Rick's Review Hub, and I'm pumped to share my review of the GreenPan Elite 8-in-1 programmable 6-quart electric slow cooker. If you're a busy home cook dreaming of delicious, hassle-free meals, this multi-cooker might be your kitchen's new best friend. Let's dive in. First, let's break down what makes this slow cooker awesome. The GreenPan Elite has a 6-quart hard-anodized pot with a PFAS-free, diamond-infused ceramic nonstick coating safe from harmful chemicals like PFOA and lead. It offers 8 one-touch presets: slow cook, sauté, sear, steam, simmer, buffet, reheat, and warm. You can brown meat or veggies right in the pot, then switch to slow cooking for rich flavors. The removable pot is dishwasher safe, and it comes with a tempered glass lid and a stainless steel steamer for veggies or dumplings. The LCD display and silicone handles make it easy to use and move. Now the pros. The non-stick coating is fantastic. Food slides right off and cleanup is a breeze, often just a quick wipe. The 6-quart size is perfect for family meals like 5 to 6 pounds of pork shoulder. The sear and sauté functions save you from dirtying extra pans, and users love the tender, flavorful results for soups and stews. It's stylish, durable, and non-toxic, earning praise for its quality. On the con side, it's pricey at around $250, which might stretch some budgets. Some users note the lid lacks a gasket, letting steam escape, which can slow cooking on high. The 6-quart size might be too small for larger gatherings, and the cord storage is a bit bulky. Who's this for? If you love set-it-and-forget-it meals with easy cleanup and want a non-toxic, versatile cooker, this is a great pick. It's ideal for busy families or health-conscious cooks, but if you need an 8-quart pot or prefer a lower price, you might look elsewhere. Ready to simplify dinner? Click the link in the description for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's make cooking delicious.